is a video on an introduction to the topic of matrices. Matrices is the plural of the word matrix, which is a rectangular arrangement of elements or items in rows and columns. So let's generally represented by a capital alphabet. So let's consider the matrix A, which is -2, 3, 4, 1, -7, and 8. Now, each of these items in the matrix are called as elements or entries, and the horizontal arrangement of these elements are called as rows. So we have our first row here and second row R2 over here, and the vertical arrangement is called as columns. So this here is our first column C1, this here is our second column C2, and this here is our third column C3. Now, so as you can see, matrix A has 2 rows and 3 columns. This brings us to an important parameter to describe a matrix known as the order of a matrix. And it is defined as the number of rows by the number of columns. Right. So for this particular example that we've taken, we could say the order of matrix A, as you can see, has 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order of matrix A is 2 by 3. Remember, we always write the number of rows first. So let's just take another quick example and see what's the order of that matrix. So let's consider a matrix B, which is 2, 3, 9, 7, 1, 8. Right. So as you can see here, this matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. So I can say the order of matrix B is 3 by 2. Well, so matrices are basically used in a branch of mathematics called as linear algebra. It finds its applications in computer graphics, where I've used it in something like image processing. It's also got applications in statistics and economics. So it's an interesting topic. In the further videos, we will be discussing the different types of matrices and some basic operations that we can perform on them.